You can get whatever money you want by believing in yourself. Are you ready to accept this statement? It is clear that you are not ready to accept this in your current situation. So there is no point in saying that this is lip service again and again. Even so, owning one is still beyond the reach of the average person. Do not let your mistrust and doubt stand like a big black stone between you and your progress. You can change your life from today. But for that you need confidence. Let's talk about the faith together. Confidence contributes 50% to giving you what you need. I hope I need to explain a few more things to you simply before to have you confidence. That's how your confidence in yourself breaks down and how you should maintain your confidence. When you were born you had confidence in yourself. But over time, as you begin to grow, society will work to break your trust. They do this to show you in the world that they are superior to you. But remember that you are superior to them. Better a poor horse than no horse at all. Building your confidence should be done slowly and slowly. If you ask anyone who has been successful, they will tell you that it's because of their self-confidence that they are the reason for their success. Let those who oppose you, those who try to overthrow you, do what they can. But do not let any of that undermine your self-confidence. Trust in you. Confidence is the key to success and happiness. How much do you believe in yourself? How much do other people control your life? Think about yourself for a moment. There are two types of beliefs. But I mostly talk about the basic belief you have in yourself. That's because if that trust is built up properly, you can get anything you want. From now on I will give you a special name for the trust you have to place in yourself. It's called PSI. Positive self-image belief. If you want to be successful, you must achieve this PSI belief. The other is the confidence you need to have in yourself to achieve your goals. I call this the I can belief. But the hardest confidence you can get is the PSI trust. The mind must be trained to get it. I can is not so hard to gain confidence either. But it can be done more easily than PSI trust. You must be armed with both the beliefs of PSI and I can. Both of these beliefs are essential if you want to reach your goals. One who is armed with these two will never be defeated again. Do not fall. No one will be able to fall either. PSI belief is the confidence you place in yourself. I can belief, the confidence I can achieve goals. These two beliefs are twofold. One is different from the other. The first is more important than the second. But both beliefs are essential if you are to succeed. So even if the second belief is less important than first, you need to bring both beliefs to a higher level. PSI confidence is the confidence you build in yourself. It is the belief in your own mind that you deserve more. I can believe is that you can do anything. You can be a millionaire. Yes, you can be a millionaire. There are tens of thousands of millionaires in this world. So being a millionaire is not a big deal. Becoming a millionaire is very easy. Why do I say that? If it is so difficult, how can tens of thousands of men and women in this world become millionaires? Of these, less than 12% inherited large sums of money from their parents or relatives. That is, those who were millionaires by birth. More than 96% of the rest of the population are ordinary people like you and me. They have no extraordinary ability. Those who have become millionaires do not have the wealth of knowledge that we do not have. Do you know exactly what you want? What do you really want? What? Did you know? Didn't this question surprise you? Have you ever thought that you knew what you wanted? Have you ever thought that you do not know exactly what you want? No, right, you may have thought you knew. You would be surprised if 1 in 100,000 people said that they do not know exactly what they want. But it is true. People think they only know what they want. Even though they know the need, none of them know exactly what they want. You could argue that this is hard to accept. But think. Make more money than everyone wants, or make more money than he has, but he does not know exactly what he wants. Overcome all the negative emotions that come into your mind and the negative forces that come to you from the outside with positive thoughts. As soon as a negative feeling comes to your mind, cover it with a positive thought. As soon as a negative feeling enters your mind, remember a moment when you were happy and get rid of the negative feeling. Praise yourself. When you wake up every morning, go to the bathroom and look in the mirror and say, "Good morning, You're so excited today. Today is going to be a very successful day for you. That's for sure. Take care of yourself. Most people are not that interested in themselves. But you have to take care of yourself. Must have some fun. You have to treat yourself very well. Think kindly of yourself. Many are kind to others. But he does not want to show any kindness to himself. All of these facts show that you need to think highly of yourself. Never think of yourself as inferior. You are superior. You are second to none. You are talented. And always remember that you are an active and good person. All you need to do to get anything in life is to succeed in 4 steps. Namely, 1. Knowing exactly what you want. 2. Believing that you deserve it. 3. Believing that you will get it. 4. Obtain it. To many who read this, step 4 here may seem like a daunting task. But you are wrong. 75% of what contributes to the success of the results is knowing exactly what you want and believing that you will get it. In fact, it's less than 25% of the contribution to the success of step 4. You, me and billions of people think the other way around. That is to say, about 75% of the acquisition and the other 3 factors will contribute 25% to this. As a result of this misunderstanding, 7.25 billion of the world's nearly 7.5 billion people today are poor. Now you have to believe the truth. That is, your mind contributes 75% to getting you something. Why is this knowledge so important? That's because it almost completely changes the way you look, or the way you look at something. Before I could believe in myself and realize exactly what I wanted, I blamed the world around me and everyone for my misfortune. I thought everything was happening through the fault of society. I looked at everything with a pessimistic mindset. If so, let's break down these negative mindsets that are currently out of your control. You will learn that you can control your destiny. You will learn that you can get anything you want. Everything can be done in learning what you want and believing in yourself. To conquer this world, you must first conquer yourself. When you know where you are going, when you believe you can go, your results are amazing. The path you take will automatically open. Roadblocks will be removed and new roads will be open to you. I would like to tell you again that it is very easy. Never allow anyone to speak ill of you. Also, do not act or speak in a way that shows that you are inferior. You should think that you are the most important person in the world. It is you who is the most important person in the world to you. So learn to think highly of yourself. You tell your consciousness. Practice giving thanks. When you do this often, your consciousness will begin to do many things for you, hoping for your praise. Then you will begin to realize for yourself how important you are. That is the beginning of your victory. I am sure you will win.